Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video features a flight test of the CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS module and the Holybro 6X flight controller. Products used in this test include CRC7 remote controller, Holybro 6X flight controller, CUAV NEO 4 SE GPS module, and a 450 frame. Pre-flight preparation. Do not install the propellers at first. Open the CUAV app. Unlock the motors in the ground station. Check whether the motor rotation directions are correct, and only after verification install the propellers. The Neo 4 SE is a high-performance single-point positioning module for unmanned systems. With a self-developed, highly flexible M4C architecture, it integrates a u-blox 10th generation high-precision GNSS receiver, a high-performance STM32H753 processor, and an STIIS-2 MDC electronic compass with strong anti-magnetic interference. It features dual filtering with SAW plus LNA, enhancing its anti-interference capability. The module includes a full-color RGB status LED, supports the DroneCAN protocol for high real-time responsiveness and interference resistance, and integrates a safety switch. It is fully compatible with ArduPilot and PX4 firmware systems. The Holybro Pixhawk 6X is the latest in the successful Pixhawk flight controller lineup, based on the Pixhawk FMUv6X Open Standard and Autopilot Bus Standard. The FMUv6X Open Standard includes high-performance, low-noise onboard IMUs designed for better stability. It features triple redundant IMUs and dual redundant barometers, placed on independent buses. When PX4 detects a sensor failure, it seamlessly switches to another sensor to maintain flight control reliability. Independent LDOs supply isolated power to each sensor group. The integrated vibration isolation system filters high-frequency vibrations and reduces noise, ensuring accurate readings and achieving overall better flight performance. Thanks to the precise positioning of the CUAV NEO 4 SE and the flight stability of the Holybro Pixhawk 6X, the drone was able to maintain excellent performance in loiter mode. By clicking Return to Home in the CUAV app, the drone was able to precisely return to the takeoff point. That concludes today's flight test video of the CUAV NEO 4 SE and Holybro 6X. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about today's content or would like us to explain certain parts in more detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more reviews, tutorials, and practical guides for drone equipment. See you in the next video.